He's looking to collect that hand, but that gives Corey an opportunity. Even in last round he did this. He bumped with the hip. So do not go for trap of the hand. That will just expand your base too much. Maybe just look to posture up and hit him more.
And Corey is looking to explode into the second leg.
Corey has a single leg. That beautiful step
That's
over.
relentlessness right there.
Beautiful step over by Rabindra. He's still trying to control the hips. He's in no rush. He can just step over that leg, but be careful because that will give opportunity to Corey to turtle up. A good Kosoto hook established, but look, that turtle is coming. You cannot stop that. All Corey needs to do is post his hand, head low, hips high, what he's doing right now, and free his leg. Remove that hook, which Rabindra has him now.
Rabindra landed a good, great shot.
He needs to lift his head high, otherwise Rabindra can do this all night long. That double leg, locking it down.
That's chain wrestling.
And one more.
And that's the third silver of the night for the hometown boy, Rabindra Dan.
Rabindra is grinding his opponent out and a step over. Now he needs to just turn and face his opponent and land some heavy ground and pound. He's in the bound position right now, which is a great position for him. The crowd is on their feet.
And looks like Rabindra is setting up an arm triangle.
I think Corey is going to explode again using the cage.
Corey might give him the back of the ground and pound right there. Now he needs to go low over his hips, otherwise he will slip off. He's slipping off.
He's about to get slipped off.
He has to have the double
I will
underhooks.
switch to a submission.
And the sweat plays a factor.
And that's again relentlessness. Watch out. He has to watch out for the
That guillotine is not tight at all. He lost the hand once again and
He's got a cross lock up over here. To
get
just
the
create some
takedown.
scramble.
Get the takedown right there. It's available all day long. That crotch lock is not positioned really well, leading into another takedown.